Yeah, please ask.
Yeah, namaste. If
Namaste.
I do the same, or I have written down whatever you guided just now.
Yeah.
So if I do at home
Hmm.
or if I come to center, how will it be different?
There is no difference because here we will be helping you to do it at that time, correct? At home, you need to set it yourself. And one important thing I forgot to tell you is it is to be done in complete silence. So the 3 days, unless very emergency, you don't talk. Generally, you don't talk. So when you are at Srimat, you can't talk. When you're at home, you may be pushed to talk. So that is the one difference. Second important thing, it slipped my mind to tell you, you should not have eye contact with anybody these 3 days. Moment you have eye contact, you'll be pushed to talk. Okay, so never have eye contact with anyone for the 3 days. At Shrimat, we do it at least 3 to 4 people should be here because this is our every 4 months we do on particular theme a free program, but we need at least 4 of them to be here. So I'll let you know whether we have that attendance of 4 by today evening.
Please create a WhatsApp group of the team so that it will be helpful for us to talk to each other.
Sure, sure. I'll do that. Any other questions?
So if we feel very hungry because we've been, in a regular mode of thing, anything to munch, healthy munch is okay. What do you suggest for munching healthy?
No munch is healthy. Only water is healthy. In fact, I would go to the level of saying no RO water, but many of you will log out right away. So we drink bore water or well water. So that is one more difference when you come to Srimad for this process. So preferably if you get that, that's still better. You will feel hungry, I'm telling you. It's not easy, but that is the way to develop willpower so that you can start doing what you wish to do in life. Now we are working like an automated machine, right? So hunger
So
is the
in
main
case if
thing
I
to be
want to
managed.
copy the first day food in the second day, is it okay, or should I do better water fasting second day completely?
No, in the 3 day schedule, water fasting is kept because it will help you to wash away the toxins. But what you can do is you can practice just the first day as one day and see how it is. You can even don't do water fasting. 1 day fasting you can do, or 2 day fasting you can do with this and water. But the very effective thing is when you do it for 3 days. So even for one day, you can follow the plan one, practice silence and be there and see the difference it creates to you. You'll naturally extend it to 3 days.
Maybe we can follow this on Ekadashi also, whatever you guided us.
Yeah, that is why we had the program today. Is tomorrow is Ekadashi. So today evening you can start with 2 bananas, and tomorrow at home you can practice this day one card diet. You will see a big difference. Because of the Ekadashi only, we rushed into this idea immediately. Otherwise, many of you would have got at least a week or 10 days time to plan for this program. And so it's a good thing, Meenakshi, you asked. Many of you want to test it out. You can test it out by starting off being at fast tomorrow at home. Follow the plan of day one and start with 2 bananas today night. You can have the banana with jaggery, no problem. Okay. You can dip the banana in jaggery and have, not a problem.
Curry leaves is that this thing, okay? Um,
Yeah.
okay, that is helpful for what? Anything if you want to say?
Curry leaves will help to manage the pitta, fire element in the body, because you are going to be fasting, right? It is important. Curry leaves is an important component along with turmeric in our traditional Indian meals, that is South Indian meals. Okay. Now, before we go to the next question, whoever plans to do this, and whenever you are starting the fasting, okay, please take bath twice a day, because fasting will increase temperature in the body. So to bring that down, you need to take bath twice a day. For a best benefit, you should take head bath, not just taking a bath, going into the washroom and coming out, that doesn't reduce heat in the body. You should take bath properly. So these are all the very quality pampering one can do to keep the mind body system alive and awake. Yes, Kishore?
So the water temperature and also water timings for bath after dinner.
No. Generally, we have at least 1 hour gap between the bath. So bath is taken while sun is up. Traditionally, only lukewarm or room temperature water is used for bathing. Okay, so the bath happens before sunset, before even 5:30. A 12 hours gap between each bath.
So after bath in the evening, we should have the evening
You
dinner
can
suggested
evening
by you.
things you can have. Yes, Kishore?
The curry leaf, what you told, no, that should we grind the curry leaves and mix
Yeah.
it with the coconut milk?
Yes. Curry leaves and coconut milk has to be blended, It is like a curry leaves flavored coconut milk, added jaggery and all that, because jaggery and curry leaves and coconut milk give the nutrition enough for the body.
Okay. So they make the coconut milk first, blend the curry leaves.
You can do
and
it
then
both ways. See, sometimes when how you make chutney, curry leaf, you can mix it, but don't use powder, curry leaf powder. Make it fresh.
Suggested fruits for the fruit bowl. Can you please tell which are
Yes.
ideal for as per yoga?
Very good. So pomegranate is very highly suggested. And when you take pomegranate, one full pomegranate you have to eat. Okay. So one pomegranate on the first and the third day morning will be good. So pomegranate, make it indispensable, and bananas are indispensable. So these two fruits are very, very important. As it is, the body is going to release a lot of toxins through urination. So for this process, maybe you can avoid muskmelon, papaya, watermelon. They are not, they are good fruits, but anyway, you are going to detox. That is a separate detox, where with raw food detox, we can do it separately. But for this process, very important fruits are banana and watermelon. You can also have dates, 4 or 5 dates you can have. Yes, Kishore?
So fifth day, boiled vegetables. Can you suggest the name of the vegetables, please?
No, all our regular, when you make sabzi at home, whatever vegetables you can have. Like French beans, okay, all that stuff.
Any
Carrot.
particular for health, for a yogic purpose, I'm asking.
No, all
Because we are
vegetables, when eaten in moderation, will serve our purpose. No problem. Because tomatoes we don't have it for these days. That's it. Because it has to be, you can't eat it. This is not a raw food thing. So tomatoes we have. Yes, Kishore?
on day 2, you said you can be in the bed. So
Yeah.
are you saying that we can we just be on the bed, or is it okay to fall asleep?
You can fall asleep. You are just there. Don't try anything. Falling asleep, keep on sleeping. That's also good. But drinking water is very important. That is why once every 1 hour, you need to keep the alarm, get up and drink water. That is very important. Okay. Yes, Basil?
Hi,
Yeah.
KPG.
Yeah.
It's regarding this avalagi, whether this avalagi should be steamed or in raw form.
A raw
And
form, when you
regarding-
soak in water, it becomes loosened. That's enough.
So it should be mixed only with the fruit, rather than in Kerala we will mix it with the coconut scraping and the jaggery.
You can
That
use,
is-
please, you can use. Coconut and jaggery is a fantastic way to have it. And you can please have it.
Okay, and regarding this coconut milk, whether it should be in raw form or whether it should be boiled and mixed with the curry leaf.
We don't need to boil it. When you blend it in mixie, generally that lukewarmness during the blending will help them. Yes, Kishore?
Coconut milk generally is not to be boiled. Only when for enhancing the taste, we may boil it in some curries, but otherwise it's always better to have coconut milk in the raw form.
So I understood the diet suggested for this 3-day program. You were suggesting a raw diet some other day. Can you please tell if today or some other day you'll tell raw diet? Raw
First,
foods?
we'll focus on this program.
Okay. Thank
Finish it. Let us come back with feedback, because we will then mix up 2-3 things. So the water is a room temperature water. Hema has asked a question. The water to be consumed is room temperature. Okay. And whatever you eat, please remember the rule that liquids eat as if you are eating solids. Solids you eat as if you are eating liquids. Meaning the water or any liquid, even this coconut milk, should be fully in your mouth, and slowly you should, sip by sip, you should get it in. Okay. When you are eating fruits, you mash it in such a way that it goes inside your body like a liquid. So this is how it works.
This detox, is there any difference if anybody is ailing, for example, they're diabetic or something, or it can be done by everybody?
No, we are generally doing these things for people who are reasonably healthy. People with medical needs have to consult their doctor. It's a good question you asked, Meenakshi. Maybe I should have said it as a disclaimer in the start. Thanks for asking this. People who have any ailments, please consult your respective medical doctors. Any other questions? Okay.
One more question.
Yeah.
PG.
Yeah.
It's regarding this lime juice or during the dinner time. So whether we can mix it with honey?
Yes, you can. Yes, you can. You can mix it with honey. Some of them are comfortable with jaggery. Whichever sweetener, natural sweetener is fine, because it gives strength to the body. It's good. That's also a good way. If you have good quality honey, you can always use honey and mix it.
Thanks.
Thank you. So thanks to Basil, Meenakshi, and Kishore for your questions, as well as Hema. I'm just